Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about one of the most popular topics, making money in crypto. In this very video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 in just 5 minutes by trading cryptocurrencies. So if you are watching this for the first time guys, don't forget to press like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure to press the notification button so that anytime we release any video, you will be the first person to be notified. Yeah, you will be the first person to be notified. All right, in order to give you this ways in which you can actually make $500 in the cryptocurrency space, I'm going to split this into 6 steps, and once you follow these 6 steps effectively, I'll show you are going to make huge return on investment in the cryptocurrency space. All right, let's jump into it. The first thing here is to we call it step one, is for you to do your research. Before you start trading any cryptocurrency, you need to do some research. First, you need to decide which cryptocurrency you want to trade. And the idea here generally is to choose a coin that is popular, has high trading volume, and has good reputation, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Binance coin, that is the BNB. And these coins I just listed are some potential coins that are trusted and have good reputation and have good trading volume. So once you do fundamentally, if I may say, these are good projects that I just listed. These 3 projects, they have good fundamentals and even technicals as well. So the idea here is once you do this research, you can now move to the next step. And the next step here is for you to choose a trading platform. Yeah, there are a lot of trading platforms, just like we know, but choosing a trading platform is very, very important, as there are a lot of trading platforms available, but most of them, believe in me, are just trading platforms that are using you to also make money for themselves, but rather than actually doing the main services they ought to provide for you. And the trading platform I will suggest for you guys in this very video are Coinbase. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken are some of the popular trading platforms for cryptocurrency stuff. But for the purpose of this video, I will urge us to actually work with Binance, because Binance has been doing a lot, and it has good reputation, and we all know that. So let's assume we now pick, the Binance. So the next thing here to do is to try as much as possible to sign and deposit. For those people that are yet to have their Binance, they can do that. Sign in, deposit their money. They can do that via a lot of method, via P2P, using their card, using many options that are available in the Binance app to actually deposit their Naira. Then their Naira will now turn to dollar, or even if you have your dollar, you can use your dollar straight ahead and purchase your coin in countries that this is allowed. But in Nigeria, the idea here is you have to use your Naira, do your transaction using P2P, and from there you can now have your funds back into your Binance account. From there, we now move to the next step, and the next step here is for you to now buy the crypto of your choice. Now, in terms of you buying the crypto of your choice, just like we said, the first thing for you to do is to make the research, check the project. And for this video, we're going with BNB, for example. So you do not check, okay, BNB has a very good entry point, and from there, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to now look at, okay, what can you afford to lose? Because before you buy any cryptocurrency, the first thing you must know is the price, and you have to understand the price movement. What happened, for the past 1 week? What happened for the past 1 month? Why is it that the price is maybe down now, or why is it that the price is now up? You need to know all those factors, and that will give you the idea to enable you to navigate through getting these things right. Yeah, because once you now buy the BNB, then the next thing you are going to do is to now hold your BNB coin. And once you hold it and you start making your profit, and you now realize that you hit your target of the $500, you can get that $500 a day. But believe me, it all depends on your capital. Yes, because you don't expect to go into the market with $10 and you expect to make that $500 with $10 like in just 5 minutes. No, you have to go in with a very good capital that will easily give you that $500. So once you see that your BNB is now growing, then what are you supposed to do? All you need to do is to sell your crypto. And selling your cryptocurrency, make sure you sell it for more than you bought it. That is the idea here, is always sell high, not low. You cannot buy something for, let's say, $300 and you're selling it for $200, so you are losing. Always buy low and sell high. That is the slogan here. Buy low and sell high. And once you do that, you'll be able to make good return on investment. Now, the next thing here to do is to withdraw profit. Yeah, if you want to withdraw your profit, it's a very simple thing. Very, very simple thing. You don't all you need to do is to look at, maybe you've bought this coin for $300, and let's say you're able to buy like let's say you're able to buy 20 of it or 10 of it, and it's now skyrocketing to, let's say, $350. Now $350, if you have 10 of it, you bought it for $300, already you are making your $500. So all you need to do, you can now take down your profit and maybe leave your capital still in the market if you still believe in the prospect of that very project. So it's actually good for you to take your profit, because taking profit is just the main thing. What's the purpose of going to business without taking profit? So please make sure you take profit anytime you actually get the profit. But the major thing here is, don't go and sell low. Make sure you buy low and sell high. And once you do that, you'll be able to make up your $500 in just 5 minutes. You can do this trading and get the money without any stress. But the idea here is, generally, you must have good capital for you to make this kind of return on investment when it comes to exchanges. That is just the bottom line, and you have to know that. And always invest what you know you can afford to lose. It's very, very important to invest what you know you can afford to lose, because in the cryptocurrency space is highly volatile, so you must make sure you invest what you know you can afford to lose. That but not the least, we are actually done with this very video, and these 6 steps we have listed are the key to making good return on investment or making profit of even more than $500. It all depends on you, your own capital, that you can actually make even $1,000 or even more in just 5 minutes, once you make sure you have all these 6 things aligned. And to cut it short, this is how you can actually make your $500, just like I said. And remember that in the cryptocurrency space, everything we say involves risks. Just like we know it, the life we live in also involves risks. So remember that these methods involve some risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your research and invest wisely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. See you some other time. Thank you.